This is the first of 3 example problems where we're going to try to determine the mass of water used in a calorimetry type setup. Like all of these calorimetry problems, we're going to want to stay organized, and that means we're going to read the problem, find our variables, and ID them, and then record them. So, ID our variables. How many grams? So question word grams. That means we're solving for the mass in this situation, since grams are mass. Are used at 550 calories of heat. So this is going to be our delta H, our change in heat. Calories is going to be the unit for heat. Are used to change the temperature of water from 13 to 47. We will get our delta T from those two numbers. So since there's only one mass listed in this problem, I know I'm going to be using delta H equals MC delta T. I'm going to record those variables and then fill in my numbers from the text of the problem. Delta H was 5050, 5,050 calories. M was the mass in grams. We're question marking that. C isn't provided in this problem, but since the substance is water and since the temperatures are between 13 and 47, we know that the phase of water is liquid, and the specific heat value for liquid water is 1 calorie per gram degrees C. Finally, delta T, we need to do 47 minus 13. Make your temperature a positive number. That'll equal 34.0 degrees C. Step 2, we're going to plug into equation. I already said that since there's only one mass, we're going to use delta H equals MC delta T. Sub in your values. I'm going to omit the labels just to add clarity to this process. If you did use the labels, you would have all units cancel out except for the one that belongs. So in this case, since we're solving for mass, grams would be the only unit that doesn't cross off. Since I'm solving for mass, I need to move these two to the opposite side. Do both. If I divide on one side, I have to divide on the other. So therefore, M is equal to 5,050 divided by 1 times 34. So really 5,050 divided by 34. Your third step is to solve this by actually punching these numbers in your calculator. If you do that, M is going to be equal to 148.529. We need to look at sig figs. Our heat value, our number of calories, has 3 sig figs. The difference in our temperatures also has 3 sig figs, so we get 3 in our answer. The third digit, third place value, 123, is an 8, which is followed by a 5-2. Turns that into a 9. So 149 grams is the final answer to that problem.